The problem is evaluate the integral a to 3's power times e to z dz. For this problem, we will use the method of integration by parts. The formula is the integral of u times v prime dx is equal to u times v minus the integral of u prime v dx. For our problem, we can let u is equal to dx. For our problem, we can let u is equal to z to 3's power and v prime is equal to e to d. Then derivative of u is equal to 3 times z.